Hi students, good evening to one and all. Welcome back our favorite video channel SGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. Now let us discuss one of the important topics, circles for senior editor Maths 2B. Here we discuss one of the important method, that is equation of circle passing through three given points. To solve the problem using four methods. From four methods, already two methods discussed in previous videos. Here let us discuss the method is equation solving method. In this method, to solve the equations, find the values of G, F, C that are constants in the general form of the circle. First of all, the general form of the circle can be taken as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This is the general form of the circle. We take one diagram. So this circle is passing through 3 points, given 3 points that are A, B and C. Now here clearly we observe these 3 points already lying on the circle. Therefore we substitute the points in the equation. We get the equations, 3 equations that are G, F, C. Here substitute the values of x and y. Here replacing x and y. The remaining equation can be reduced to G, F, C. We take first point, we get first equation. We take second point, then we get second equation. We take third point, then we get third equation. Now these three equations are in GFC, are in the variables of GFC. Here solving these three equations, then we get the values of GFC and substitute the values in the general form. We get required equation of circle passing through 3 points. This is the procedure for this method. Now we discuss problem. Here solve the problem. Now let us discuss the problem. First of all, let the required equation of circle is passing through given 3 points, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Let the points are, let a equals to 1 1, b equals to 2 minus 1 and c equals to 3 2. Here we take one circle. In this circle, the required circle is passing through given 3 points. Already consider that condition. Here we take the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. So clearly we observe these 3 points lie on the circle. Since A11 lies on, which is equation 1, equation 1, then 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals 0. Now here it can be simplified that this is 2g plus 2f plus c, that equals to, the constant is 2, we take into right side, that is minus 2, which is equation 1. Similarly, since the second point B is 2 minus 1 lies on equation 2, then we substitute second point in equation 1, 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c equals 0. Now which implies in this 4g plus 4g minus 2f plus c equals to, here 4 plus 1 equals to 5, we take into right side, that is minus 5, which is equation 2. Similarly, since the third point C of 3 2 lies on equation 2, sorry, equation 1, then we substitute the point on equation 1, Here we take 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c equal 0. Now which implies it can be simplified that 2g into 3 6g plus 4f plus c. Here the constant is 9 plus 4 13. We take to right side, that is minus 13, which is equation 3. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Already let us consider the equation 1 is general form of the circle. Now here we observe these three equations, the constant c is common. Now here we take 2 minus 3 or 2 minus 4 or 3 minus 4. First we take 2 minus 3. Now here subtract equation 3 from equation 2. That is 2g plus 2f plus c. In this 4g minus 2f plus c, which is equals to minus 2, which is equals to minus 5. Here change the signs to the second equation. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So minus 4g plus 2g minus 2g, this is plus 4f, c's are cancelled, plus 5 minus 2 equals to minus plus 3. Now in this multiply with minus 2g minus 4f equals to minus 3, which is equation 5. Similarly, here we take 3 minus 4, equation 3 minus equation 4, which implies in this 4g minus 2f plus c equals to minus 5, 6g plus 4f plus c equals to minus 13. Now here also change the signs to the second equation. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. Minus 2g minus 6f, c's are cancelled, 13 minus 5, that is 8. Plus 6f equals to minus 8, which is equation 6. Now here we observe equation 5 and equation 6, g terms are equal. Now here also we take equation 5 minus equation 6. 5 minus 6. Equation 5 is 2g minus 4f equals to minus 3. Equation 6 is 2g plus 6f equals to minus 8. Here also change the signs, minus, minus, plus. G's are cancelled. Minus 6f minus 4f, that is minus 10f, equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5, which implies f equals to 5 by minus 10, that is minus 1 by 2. Now substitute f equals minus 1 by 2 in equation 5 or equation 6. We take equation 5. From equation 5, here we write 2g equals to 4f minus 3. In this substitute 4 into the value of f, minus 1 by 2 minus 3, 2 1 j 2 2 j. So minus 2 minus 3. So which implies 2g equals to minus 5, g equals to minus 5 by 2. Therefore here g equals to minus 5 by 2 and f equals to minus 1 by 2. So g equal minus 5 by 2, f equal minus 1 by 2. Now these are substituted in equation 2. From equation 2 we have here to find value of c. C equals to, we take to right side 2g and 2f, that is minus 2g minus 2f minus 2. That equals to, here minus 2 into g value is minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 into f value is also minus 1 by 2. Minus 2. Here 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So minus of minus 5 plus 5. This is plus 1. This is minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Which implies c equals to 4. Now here substitute GFC in general form of equation 1. From equation 1 we have square plus y square plus 2 into minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 into y. Here g and f are minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. C value is 4 equals 0. Here 2 2's cancel in x and y terms. The required equation is x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equals 0. This is the equation of required circle which is passing through given points. This is the solution. So this is the procedure for equation solving method. Now using the same procedure to solve remaining sums in exercise 1A third round. So this is the very easiest method. So the first method, circumcenter method, is also very easiest method. Next one is equation solving method. These two methods using to solve remaining problems. So wish you all the best. Thank you.